In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to edit currency or exchange rate on Wise account. So once you log into your Wise app right here, you see exchange rate right there. Just click on edit and at the front of it. So once you click on edit, it's gonna show just like this. You see, what do you think about this experience? That's just another thing entirely. You can see right here, you can change from one currency to another. So once you click on the pencil at the front of it, then you see a page just like this to load. So I don't know what's going on the page, but also you can click on add new. Then you'll be able to add new currency of your choice to your own Wise account. I don't know why it's not showing right here, but then this is exactly how you can go about it, and you can change currency and exchange rate from your own Wise account and also add more to it and see how or experience how it's done. So once you are done with it, or you want to add more currency to it, just click on done at the below. Then you'll be able to complete your exchange rate as just as you want it.